Hello students, in this video I am going to explain the answers for model paper Mid-Sem 1 third semester Applied Engineering Mathematics. So we have a total 3 parts in this model paper. Part A, answer all questions and each question carries 1 mark. Answer should be brief and straight to the point and shall not exceed 3 simple sentences. So the first question is integrate e to the power of x minus sin x plus x to the power of 4. So in the previous model paper we have a same question. So anyhow let's do the answer for this. So integration of e to the power of x minus sin x plus x to the power of 4 with respect to x. So here apply the integration for each term separately. E to the power of x dx integration sin x dx plus integration x to the power of 4 dx. It is equals to integration of e to the power of x is e to the power of x itself minus integration of sin x is minus cos x plus integration of x to the power of 4. So here the suitable formula is integration of x to the power of n dx equals to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So then x to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 and add one constant c. So it is equals to e to the power of x minus of minus plus cos x, x to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus c is our required answer. Next, second question, evaluate integration dx by 5x plus 7. It is also given in the previous model paper. So it is equals to integration 1 by 5x plus 7 dx. Here the suitable formula is integration of 1 by ax plus b dx equals to 1 by a. How to get the a? Here derivative of ax plus b will come at this place into log of mod ax plus b with base e. So this is suitable formula. So then it is equals to 1 by a derivative of 5x plus 7 is 5 into log of mod 5x plus 7 base e and add one constant c. So this is our required answer. Next, third question, evaluate integration of dx by 81 plus x square. So it is equals to integration 1 by 81 can write as a 9 square plus x square dx. So here the suitable formula is integration of 1 by a square plus x square dx equals to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So here what is the a value? A equals to 9. So therefore the answer is 1 by 9 tan inverse x by 9 and add one constant. So this is our required answer. So next to fourth question, evaluate integration of 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. So here let us select the denominator x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to t. Next, to do the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So 3x plus 5 equals to dt by dx. Here derivative of x square is 2x because the formula is d by dx of x to the power of n equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. And derivative of 3x is 3 into 1 plus derivative of constant is 0. It is equals to dt by dx. Then 2x plus 3 equals to dt by dx. Next, in the given question the numerator is 2x plus 3 dx. So that is why this dx transposed to left side, it is equals to dt. Now substitute these two values in the given question. Okay, so integration 2x plus 3 divided by, so here integration, this numerator equals to how much? Dt, divided by this denominator equals to selected as a t. So it is equals to integration 1 by t dt. So integration of 1 by t is log t plus c. So now substitute the t value. The t value is x square plus 3x plus 5 plus c is our required answer. Next to part B, answer all questions and each question carries 3 marks. The answer should be comprehensive and the criteria for valuation is a content but not the length of the answer. So fifth, we have internal choice. You can attempt either A or B, and here in the sixth bit A or B. First fifth bit A question, evaluate integration x to the power of 5 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 12 dx. This question also given in the previous model paper. So it is equals to integration x to the power of 5 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 12 can write as a x to the power of 6 whole square dx. Now let's select the x to the power of 6 equals to t. So next do derivative on both sides with respect to x. So dt by dx. Here derivative of x to the power of 6 is 6 into x to the power of 5 dt by dx. But in the given question we have x to the power of 5 dx, so that is why x to the power of 5, this dx transposed to left side and 6 transposed to right side. So now let's substitute these two values in the given question. So x to the power of 5 divided by 1 plus x to the power of 12 dx equals to x to the power of 5 dx can write as a dt by 6. 1 plus x to the power of 12 means x to the power of 6 whole square, but x to the power of 6 equals to t, so t square. In the numerator 1 by 6 is a constant, dt by 1 plus t square. So 1 by 6 into, here integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is tan inverse t plus c. Now substitute the t value. Tan inverse t value x to the power of 6 plus c is our required answer. Next B question, evaluate integration of 1 by 3 minus 2 into cos x dx. So it is also given in the previous model paper. Sorry, this question not given. The next sixth bit A question also there in the previous model paper. So for this type of questions we need to select the tan x by 2 equals to t. Next to do the derivative, d by dx of tan x by 2 equals to dt by dx. Derivative of tan x, secant square x, and derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2, and this dx transpose to left side, dx equals to dt. Next secant square x can write as a 1 plus tan square x by 2, here x by 2. Why? Because we have one identity, secant square x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 equals to 1. So from this, secant square x by 2 equals to 1 plus tan square x by 2. So by 2 dx equals to dt. In this substitute the tan x by 2 value, that is t. So 1 plus t square by 2 dx equals to dt, but actually we needed dx value, so that is why, so here dx equals to, here 2 will go to right side and 1 plus t square also will go to denominator place. So these are dx value. So therefore the given question is here in this. Next cos x value also required. See here, cos x value is how much? Cos x equals to, we have one formula, 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So then cos x equals to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So now the given question is 1 by 3 minus 2 cos x dx equals to integration 1 by 3 minus 2 into cos x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and the dx value 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So then it is equals to integration 1 by 3 into 1 plus t square minus 2 into 1 minus t square all divided by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. It is equals to here 1 by 1 fraction. So the fraction will become reverse, and 3 multiply inside 3t square minus 2 also multiply inside minus 2 minus or minus plus 2t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Your 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cancel. So it is equals to integration, here numerator 2 is a constant, 2 1 by 3t square plus 2t square 5t square 3 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 plus 1 dt. So 2 into integration 1 by, here take the 5 common, so t square plus 1 by 5 dt. So now 2 by 5 integration 1 by t square plus 1 by 5 can write as a 1 by root 5 whole square dt. So here use one formula, 1 by x square plus a square dx equals to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So let's continue the answer. 2 by 5 into 1 by a. Here what is the a value? 1 by root 5 is a value. 1 by root 5 tan inverse x. X means t divided by a means 1 by root 5 and add one constant c. So it is equals to 2 by 5 into 1 by 1 by root 5 means root 5 by 1 into tan inverse t by 1 by root 5 means t into root 5 by 1 plus c. So 2 by 5 can write as a root 5 whole square into root 5 into tan inverse. What is the t value actually? Tan x by 2 into root 5 plus c. A square root 5 cancel, so final answer is 2 by root 5 into tan inverse of tan x by 2 into root 5 plus c. Here tan inverse tan will not get cancelled because your root 5 is there. If there is a no root 5, then we can cancel both. Okay, so this is our required answer. So next, 6th bit a question, integration of 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 dx. So here this function convert into a partial fractions. So 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. So here denominator having the non-repeated linear factors, so then a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by 2x plus 3. So it is equals to 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 equals to the LCM of both denominators are their product. So a into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. Here both denominators are cancelled. So 3x plus 2 equals to a multiplied inside 2ax plus 3a plus bx minus b. So 3x plus 2, from these two terms x is a common, so then 2a plus b, next to 3a minus b. Next, comparing the coefficients on both sides. So left side x coefficient is 3, right side x coefficient 2a plus b, take it as equation number 2. Next, left side constant 2, right side constant 3a minus b, equation number 3. So now add the equation number 2 and equation number 3. So 2a plus b equals to 3, 3a minus b equals to 2, plus b minus b cancel, 2a plus 3a 5a, 3 plus 2 5, then a equals to 1. Now substitute a equals to 1 either in second or third. So I am substituting in the second equation. 2a plus b equals to 3, 2 into 1 plus b equals to 3, b equals to 2 into 1 2, 3 minus 2, b equals to 3 minus 2 1. Now substitute a and b values in the first equation. Okay. So then 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 equals to a value 1 and b value also 1, 2x plus 3. Now apply the integration with respect to x. Okay. So here apply the integration for each term separately. 1 minus x, 1 by x minus 1 dx, integration 1 by 2x plus 3 dx. So here the suitable formula is integration of 1 by ax plus b dx equals to 1 by a into log of mod ax plus b with base e. So this is a suitable formula. So then it is equals to, here how to get the a, actually derivative of x minus 1. So 1 by derivative of x minus 1 is 1 into log of mod x minus 1 plus derivative of 2x plus 3 is 1 by 2 into log of mod 2x plus 3 plus c. So it is equals to log x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log 2x plus 3 plus c is our required answer. Next, sixth bit B question, evaluate integration x square into e power 3x dx. So here it is a product of two functions. X square is a algebraic function, e power 3x is a exponential functions. So as per the ILATE rule, whether they are in the correct order or wrong order. See here in the ILATE rule, a first, e second. Okay, so they are in the proper order, so then we can continue the answer. So here what is a suitable formula? Actually integration of u into v dx equals to u into v dx minus integration d by dx of u integration v dx whole dx. Here what is a u value? X square is a u value and v value e power 3x. So therefore x square into integration of e power 3x dx minus integration d by dx of x square integration v dx e power 3x dx whole dx. So then it is equals to x square into integration of e power 3x is e power 3x divided by derivative of 3x is 3. minus integration, here derivative of x square is 2x into integration of e power 3x is e power 3x divided by 3 dx. It is equals to x square into e power 3x divided by 3, and here 2 by 3 is a constant, so x into e power 3x dx. So once again use the u into v formula. Here u value x and v value e power 3x. So x square into e power 3x divided by 3 minus 2 by 3 bracket of, here u value x, integration e power 3x dx minus integration d by dx of x integration e power 3x dx whole dx. So it is equals to x square into e power 3x divided by 3 minus 2 by 3 into, here x into integration of e power 3x divided by 3 minus derivative of x is 1 into, here e power 3x divided by 3 dx. X square into e power 3x divided by 3 minus 2 by 3 bracket of x into e power 3x divided by 3 minus 1 by 3 constant, and here integration of e power 3x is e power 3x divided by 3 plus c. So it is equals to x square into e power 3x divided by 3, here minus 2 by 3 multiply inside, minus 2 by 3 3 is 9 e power 3x minus into minus plus, here 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So 2 by 27 into e power 3x plus c. Now we can take the e power 3x common, so x square by 3 minus 2 by 9 into x plus 2 by 27 plus c is our required answer. And you can do this problem by using Bernoulli's rule also. Next, part C, answer all questions and each question carries 5 marks. So in this part C, same like a part B, internal choice. Okay, you can attempt either A or B. So 7th question, A problem, evaluate integration of x square plus under root x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. So integration of under root x square plus 2x can write as a 2 into x into 1 plus 5 I am writing as a 1 plus 4 dx. So it is equals to integration under root x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 can write as a 1 square, 4 can write as a 2 square dx. Integration under root, here a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to a plus b whole square plus 2 square dx. So now the suitable formula is integration of under root x square plus a square dx. It is equals to x by 2 into under root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into sine h inverse x by a plus c. So here what is the x value? At the place of x we have x plus 1, and at the place of a 2 is there. So let us apply this formula, x plus 1 divided by 2 under root x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square plus 2 square by 2 into sine h inverse x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c. So it is equals to x plus 1 divided by 2 into under root, its total simplification is x square plus 2x plus 5 plus here 2 square cancel, 2 into sine h inverse x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c is our required answer. Next B question is evaluate integration sine cube theta into cos cube theta d theta. So it is in the form of integration sine to the power of mx into cos to the power of nx dx. So here what is the m value? 3 is a m value. It is odd number. N value, it is also 3, odd number. Here both m and n odd numbers and the two same odd numbers. So then either select sine theta equals to t or cos theta equals to t. I am going to select sine theta equals to t, and its derivative d by dx of sine theta equals to dt by dx. Sorry, here do derivative with respect to theta. Sine theta equals to dt by d theta. So here derivative of sine theta is what? Cos theta, and d theta transpose to left side, it is equals to dt. So let us substitute these two values in the given question. What is the question? Sine cube theta into cos cube theta d theta, it is equals to integration sine cube theta can write as a sine square theta, sine cube theta. Cos cube theta can write as a cos square theta into cos theta d theta. Why? Because here dt value cos theta into d theta is there, that is why. Here sine cube theta means t cube. Cos square theta can write as a 1 minus sine square theta, because one of the identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So from this we can write cos square theta as a 1 minus sine square theta. So into cos theta d theta value how much? Dt. Then it is equals to integration t cube 1 minus sine square theta means substitute the sine theta value dt. So integration t cube into t cube multiply inside t cube minus t to the power of 5 dt. Now apply the integration for each term separately. So here integration of t cube is t to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus t to the power of 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus c. Substitute the t value, that is first of all let's simplify. T to the power of 4 by 4, t to the power of 6 by 6 plus c. So now sine to the power of 4 theta by 4 minus sine to the power of 6 theta by 6 plus c is our required answer. Next to 8th question, a problem, find x integration of x into tan inverse x dx. So here x is a algebraic function, tan inverse x is a inverse trigonometric function. So as per the ILA-TE rule, inverse trigonometry function first, algebraic function second. So that is why in the question change the position of the terms. It is equals to integration first tan inverse x, next x. Now integration of u into v dx equals to u into integration v dx minus integration d by dx of u integration v dx whole dx. So here what is the u value? Tan inverse x is a u value and v value x. So it is equals to u value tan inverse x integration x dx minus integration d by dx of tan inverse x integration dx. So it is equals to tan inverse x. Here integration of x is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Why? Because x can write as x to the power of 1. Next to minus integration derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square into x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 whole dx. So it is equals to x square divided by 2 into tan inverse x minus integration 1 by 1 plus x square x square divided by 2 dx. So x square divided by 2 into tan inverse x minus here 1 by 2 constant. Here x square can write as a 1 plus x square minus 1. So that means add 1 and subtract 1 dx. So x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2. Here split into two fractions, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole dx. So it is equals to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration. Here both are cancel, 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So now apply the integration for each term separately. So x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 dx is x minus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. So it is equals to x square by 2 into tan inverse x minus x by 2 minus and minus plus tan inverse x by 2 plus c is our required answer. So next B question, find integration x to the power of 4 into cos 2x dx. So here x to the power of 4 is algebraic function, cos 2x is trigonometric function. So as per the ILATE rule, algebraic first, trigonometry second. So no changes in the question. Continue the answer. Here x to the power of 4 given, that is why use a Bernoulli's rule. For example, at the place of x to the power of 4 you have a just x, then you can use u into v dx formula, that is u into integration v dx. Okay, so here x to the power of 4 given, so that is why use Bernoulli's rule. In the Bernoulli's rule, here u is what? X to the power of 4 is a u. So in the Bernoulli's rule, we need to find out the u dash, u double dash. So u dash equals to derivative of x to the power of 4, that is 4x cube. U double dash equals to derivative of 4x cube, 4 into 3x square, it is 12x square. U triple dash equals to derivative of 12x square, so 12 into 2x, 12 2s are 24x. Next fourth order derivative, 24 into derivative of 24x, 24 into 1, it is equals to 24. Next derivative of 24 is 0, so that is why we can stop the doing derivative. Next v equals to what? Cos 2x is a v value, so v1 means integration of cos 2x dx. So integration of cos 2x sin 2x divided by 2. Next v2 integration of sin 2x by 2 dx. So it is equals to 1 by 2 integration of sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2. Next it is equals to minus 1 by 4 into cos 2x. v3 equals to integration of minus 1 by 4 cos 2x dx. So minus 1 by 4 cos 2x integration sin 2x divided by 2. So minus 1 by 4 into 2 is minus 1 by 8 into sin 2x. Next v4 integration of minus 1 by 8 sin 2x dx. So minus 1 by 8 into integration of sin 2x minus cos 2x divided by 2. So it is equals to minus 1 minus plus 8 to the 16 cos 2x. Next to v5 integration of 1 by 16 cos 2x dx equals to 1 by 16 integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. So 1 by 32 into sin 2x. So now Bernoulli's rule is integration of u into v dx equals to u into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u double dash into v3 minus u triple dash into v4 and fourth order derivative u into v5. Okay, so here it is equals to u value x to the power of 4, v1 value sin 2x by 2 minus u dash 4x cube, v2 value minus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus u double dash equals to 12x square, v3 equals to minus 1 by 8 sin 2x minus u triple dash equals to 24x, v4 equals to 1 by 16 cos 2x plus fourth order derivative of u is how much, 24, and v5 equals to 1 by 32 into sin 2x. So it is equals to x to the power of 4 sin 2x divided by 2. Here 4 cancel, minus and minus plus x cube into cos 2x plus here 12 and 8 both are coming in 4 table, 4 2s are 4 3s are, so minus 3x square by 2 into sin 2x. Next to 24 and 16 both are coming in 8 table, 8 2s are 8 3s are, minus 3 by 2 into x into cos 2x plus here 24 and 32 both are coming in 8 table, 8 4s are 8 3s are 3 by 4 sin 2x and add one constant c. Now it is equals to, here in this we have a sin 2x common, sin 2x by 2 common, so sin 2x by 2 bracket of x to the power of 4 minus 3 x square plus 3 by 2. Next cos 2x is a common, so plus cos 2x bracket of x cube minus 3 by 2 into x plus c is our required.